Hello guys, welcome to Ernest Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I want to share with you step-by-step procedure on how you can connect your OKX Web3 wallet to Memefi mining bot here on Telegram. If you are among those that are still having issue on how to connect their wallet, you need to watch this video to the end and you'll be able to connect your wallet. But before we start proper, please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified on our next video. Okay guys, before you start this process, the first thing you need to do is to download a VPN. It's very important. Download a VPN, head straight to your Play Store or App Store. Play Store. Okay. You search for VPN. You see several VPNs. Then you download any one of them. Okay. Personally, I'm using Windscribe VPN. Windscribe VPN. That's the VPN I'm using currently. Okay. This is it here. Windscribe VPN. You can download this one or any one of your choice. Okay. After downloading it, you open the VPN. Windscribe. You open the VPN. You select country of your choice. Outside US, please don't use US so you will not have any issue at all. So personally, I'm using Norway. So you can select Norway or any country of your choice. Then click on this power button. It will activate. Okay. Then after activating it, you now open your Memefi, or if your Memefi is already open like my own now. Okay. So you click on this OKX symbol here. You click on check the task. Then select connect to OKX mini wallet. Connect to OKX mini wallet. The second option there. Click on it. It will open up OKX mini wallet on Telegram. So you don't need to download OKX app or whatever. Now, the next thing you need to do is to create a wallet or import a wallet. If you have OKX wallet that you're already using, you can import it using the recovery phrase, or you can create a new one. So I prefer to create a new one. I'll click on create wallet. Then I'll click on seed phrase. Then how do you want to secure your wallet? I'll click on biometric authentication. You can still use password. Then I'll enter my fingerprint. The next thing is to note your recovery phrase. You have to write down your recovery phrase. That's the seed phrase of this wallet. So we have to do it now. I'll click on note down seed phrase. I'll click on this eye to see the seed phrase. Then I'll enter the seed phrase. We have successfully created the wallet. I'll click on start your Web3 journey. Okay guys, we have successfully created the wallet. We'll click on connect. Okay. It's showing option to confirm transaction. I'll minimize and go to OKX Wallet inside Telegram. Let me search for it. OKX Wallet. This is it. OKX Wallet bot. Okay, it's verified. You click on start. Alright, you click on open wallet. Enter your password or your fingerprint. Alright, this is the transaction here. You click on confirm. Okay, we'll go back to Memefi mining bot again. Transaction sent. Okay guys, we have successfully connected our Memefi mining bot to OKX Web3 wallet here on Telegram. We didn't use OKX app. So with this, everybody can connect their wallet. You just have to follow these steps. It's not hard, it's quite easy. Okay, make sure you activate your VPN before you start. It will make your journey easier. Okay, to finalize the process, you click on update wallet and you are done with everything that concerns wallet connection. Please, if you like this video, make sure to share it with your friends, share it on all your social media platforms, and make sure you are following us. Thank you guys.